Hello everyone. In this lecture I am going to talk about some biochemical aspects of pesticides. Pesticides are the substances that are used for controlling pests. But besides killing the target pests, these also affect the non-target organisms and produce various biochemical changes, uh, especially in the human body. So, let's discuss in detail the various biochemical alterations that these pesticides produce in the human body. What are pesticides? Pesticides are the substances that are used for controlling pests. These are used for preventing, destroying, repelling, or lessening the damaging effects that these pests produce. And these pesticides are used for controlling agricultural pests, livestock pests, or household pests. And these pests are the organisms that produce damaging effects. These may be bacteria, fungi, insects, weeds, etc. Classification of pesticides on the basis of their target pests. Pesticides have been classified into different categories on the basis of the pests which they kill. First one are herbicides. Herbicides are used for killing herbs or unwanted plants or weeds. These are also termed as weedicides. Insecticides. Insecticides are used to kill insects. Algicides. These are used to kill algae. Bactericides are used to kill bacteria. Fungicides are used for killing fungi. Rodenticides are used for killing rats. Nematicides are used for killing nematodes. Molluscicides, these are used for killing mollusks. And pesticides, these are used for killing fishes. So, all the kinds of organisms that produce damaging effects, these are called pests. And for killing those different kinds of pests, different kinds of pesticides are used, and these are the different categories of pesticides on the basis of their target pests. Classification of pesticides on the basis of their chemical structure. Pesticides have been divided into different categories on the basis of their chemical structure, and these are: first one are organophosphates. These are chemically esters of alcohols with phosphoric acid or with some other acids, and examples are malathion, parathion. Next one are carbamates. These are actually derived from carbamic acid, and their examples are carbaryl, aldicarb, carbofuran, zeram. Organochlorine insecticides. These are actually chlorinated hydrocarbons, and their examples are dialdrin, endosulfan, heptachlor, dicophol, methoxychlor. Next are pyrethroids. These are actually the synthetic versions of pyrethrins, and these pyrethrins are occurs in the chrysanthemum flowers, and this is a pesticide, and pyrethroids have been derived from these pyrethrins. Examples are fenvalerate, permethrin, sumithrin. Next are substituted urea herbicides. These are produced by substitution of urea or sulfonyl group on urea structure. And example are pyrithiobacterium, cyclosulfamuron. Last one are biopesticides. These biopesticides have been derived from natural materials like animals, plants, bacteria, and certain minerals. So these are the different categories of pesticides which differ from each other on the basis of their chemical structure. Effects of pesticides. Pesticides kill their target pests, but when non-target organisms get exposed to high concentration of pesticides, then these pesticides also produce harmful effects in the non-target organisms. It also produces effects in the animals, human beings, as well as in the plants. Now, pesticides exert their toxic effect either to specific a particular target organ in the organism, or sometimes it may affect more than one organ or more than one organ systems in the body, and it may affect these organs simultaneously as well as subsequently. And some of the toxic effects which pesticides produced are irreversible in nature and some are reversible in nature. And among irreversible effects are these may cause death, may produce cancer, may produce mutagenic effects, may affect the reproductive system of the organisms. And the effects of pesticides are dosage dependent. That means more the concentration to which a particular organism exposed, more will be the effect of pesticides on his body. Sometimes it has been found that lower concentration of pesticides exerts non-observable pathological and functional effects in the body. Now the general symptoms of the pesticides in the human beings are irritation of the nose, throat, eyes or skin, headache, dizziness, loss of appetite, thirst, nausea, diarrhea, sweating, weakness or fatigue, restlessness, nervousness, changes in mood, insomnia, vomiting, excessive salivation, coughing, feeling of constriction in throat and chest, abdominal cramps, blurring of vision, excessive perspiration, trembling, muscular incoordination, uncontrollable muscular twitching, mental confusion, inability to breathe, increased rate of breathing, unconsciousness, and even cause death. So these are the symptoms from mild to severe level that may produces in the human body when human get exposed to the high level of pesticides. Now let's understand the effects of different categories of pesticides. First one is the effect of organophosphate pesticides. Organophosphate pesticides exerts toxic effects on the nervous system. These pesticides inhibit the acetylcholinesterase enzyme, and which causes the accumulation of acetylcholine at the ends of the nerves, and due to that convulsions may take place, depression of respiration and circulation, paralysis of respiratory muscles takes place, excessive secretion in the respiratory tract, bronchoconstriction, inhibition of respiratory center, and coma, which can cause respiratory failure, and due to the deficiency of oxygen may leads to asphyxia and ultimately can lead to death. These pesticides also produce toxic effects on the endocrine system, and here is an example. These pesticides reduce the secretion of insulin hormone. These pesticides also disrupt the normal cellular metabolism of proteins, carbohydrates and fats. These also produce genotoxic effects, that is these pesticides can damage the DNA or cause mutations in the DNA. These also affects the mitochondrial function, also produce reactive oxygen species and thus produces oxidative stress. These also causes cardiovascular diseases. Besides that, these also exert negative effects on the reproductive system of the organisms. Effects of organochlorine pesticides. These pesticides disrupt the endocrine system. These are also carcinogenic in nature, that is produce cancer. These also produce neurodevelopmental effects, affect the embryonic development, affect the lipid metabolism, and also produces toxic alterations in the hematological system as well as in the liver. Now the effects of carbamate pesticides. These also disrupt the endocrine system, reproductive disorders produces, affect the cellular metabolic mechanisms, disrupt the mitochondrial function, produce cytotoxic and genotoxic effects, induce apoptosis and also causes necrosis in the human immune cells. These also causes changes in the neural behavior and also increase the risk of dementia and a non-Hodgkin lymphoma disease. Now the effects of pyrethroids. These also produce disrupting effect on the endocrine system. These affect the reproductive system by damaging the DNA in the reproductive cells. These also exerts neurotoxicity. Now the effects of triazine herbicides. The examples of triazine herbicides are atrazine, simazine. These produces disrupting effect on the endocrine system, produce reproductive toxicity, causes oxidative stress, produce cytotoxicity, and also produces carcinogenic effects. So these are the different categories of pesticides or the effects of different categories of pesticides which they exerts on the organisms when organisms get exposed to their higher concentration. Thank you.